Story Nest.
Gina the giraffe, with her long, spotted neck swaying gently, and Benny the bunny, his nose twitching with excitement, stood at the edge of Rainbow Valley. The air shimmered with 1,000 hues, a breathtaking vista of swirling colors that stretched as far as their eyes could see. Their first steps took them onto a path, bathed in radiant red. Suddenly, a cheerful voice chirped, "Welcome to the Red Realm." It was Rosie the robin, her feathers a vibrant scarlet. She told them tales of courage and bravery, and gifted Benny a lucky red clover before fluttering away. Next, they hopped into an area glowing with warm orange. Here, they met Ollie the orangutan, swinging playfully from luminous orange vines. Ollie shared stories of laughter and joy, teaching Gina a funny jungle rhyme that made Benny giggle uncontrollably. He then presented them with sweet, juicy orange mangoes. The yellow segment of the valley buzzed with energy. Beatrice the bee, adorned with golden stripes, zipped around them, collecting nectar from shimmering yellow blossoms. She spoke of happiness and sunshine, and gifted Gina a tiny pot of the most fragrant honey they had ever smelled. As they ventured into the lush green part of the valley, they encountered Finley the frog, sitting on a giant lily pad. Finley croaked tales of growth and harmony, sharing wise words about the interconnectedness of all living things. He showed Benny how to find the juiciest green clover in the meadow.